we were contacted to have a concept of a large tree of life sculpture that would have colorful butterflies and hummingbirds inside the tree. Well, the tree scales out to about 18 feet tall overall, 16 feet wide with all the leaves and branches, and weighs approximately about 5,000 pounds total.
You know, the two of us could probably stand this one up.
You do.
Making a tree. Josh just cut this and beveled it, leveled that. Now we're gonna stand it. Beep, 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 beep.
It's pretty heavy. But
Piece of cake.
alrighty. Beautiful.
Okay, now I need to go to the doctor. I think my back's out.
I'm gonna blow it, clean it.
You should always clean it first before you blow it.
You know, it's a challenging project when you've never done a tree before, and it's also made out of stainless steel, and it also has to handle gale force, hurricane force winds. So we started with a very strong structural base using heavy stainless steel pipe, heavy plate for a foundation to bolt to concrete, and that center pipe and the plate at the bottom is the structural strength of the whole piece.
So I've got one there, got one there, got one there. We used a process called coping, cutting and shaping the ends of each pipe so they fit tight against the trunk. Every arm sits at a slightly different angle, so each one has to be measured and trimmed just right. If you want to see some cutting tricks for coping, check out our other video. The link's in the description. After that, we welded everything in place and added couplers so the upper branches can slide in and out when it's time to move the sculpture.
The tree is coming together.
Sure is. It's almost a Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Very cool.
Hey, we almost got a Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Where they split into three, he's making end caps to extend them even farther.
For this part, we used 1/2-inch round bar. It's strong and holds its shape once it's rolled. We ran each piece through a Bailey ring roller to bend it into smooth circles. Then we tacked the rings around the trunk one at a time. As more rings went on, you could start to see the tree taking shape. Toward the end, we added long bars that run up the trunk and tie into the arms. That's when the curves of the tree really start to come together. We do a ring, can be, I'm thinking here and here, so like a ring here and a ring here-ish. So this will come off of here, hit this ring, go to this ring, then we'll do rings on there, but I won't worry about that yet. Wondering how far they need to be apart for the bark
because the bark has to go around. If each piece of bark is flat, it's going to look like a prism.
But it's not going to be flat.
Roll each piece of bark. Yep, it's good. It's a great start. Why are you filming me? Go film him having a smoke and being lazy.
Idea to make a template instead of freehanding all the lines. My template draws them on for me. I thought it was a pretty good idea.
Michelle's just gloating her own horn.
I am, and it works.
She starts by cutting a few different sizes so they look natural once they're spread across the branches. Using the belt sander, she quickly shapes the edges and gives each leaf a clean outline. Then, she moves to the bead roller, pressing a groove down the center to form the veins. Every single leaf goes through this same process, and there are hundreds of them, all cut, shaped, and detailed by hand. Once the leaves are done, we weld short pieces of round bar to the backs to make the stems. These will later be attached throughout the branches of the tree of life.
Big ones down at the bottom here.
There are some that turn the opposite way, right?
And then maybe a little guy there, just to mix it up. Fuck yeah. I love making art. Fuck yeah. Until we put one together and try it out. Now, don't be afraid to put some bends in these and make them look a little more natural as they come off. We want everything to do that. Like it's growing, like a flower, just flowing, right?
Can you do that again?
I'd say that's good enough.
Okay, I'll grab another one.
Each piece was bent with a hydraulic press, shaping it little by little until it looked like a real branch. After bending, the bars were laid out and welded together, starting from the thicker base and working toward the smaller ends, tapering out as they reached the tips. Once the branch shapes were finished, we started welding on the leaves. Each one was positioned by hand, and this stage was one of the more enjoyable parts. You can really start to see it take shape. When a few were done, we slid them into the couplers on the arms to see how the tree was coming together.
Ooh, big one. That's fine, just like that. Take your show on the road?
How do you take your show on the road?
Like, tour with all my sculptures? That'd be cool.
Who's paying for it?
Exactly. We don't really want to be lapping it. We kind of want to butt
No,
weld.
you don't
and,
want to lap it at all.
You know what I mean? Holy crap, we got our work cut out for us for skinning this. Thank God it's only 10 feet tall. By the time I teach Josh to polish, he'll want to quit. Believe me.
Oh, I know. Don't worry. I have done some polishing. It's not fun, but I mean, it is what it is. The product at the end is satisfying, at least.
But then this part should be like a big oval, right? See? And then it would taper to round. It's got to start off oval. It's not that bad. Once we get rocking and rolling on it, it's only...
It's easy. That's what I first said. Should be easy.
Wow.
We use paper to shape the outside of the tree, wrapping sections, taping them on, and trimming until the surface feels right. This lets us see the curves and how the trunk flows into the arms before any stainless goes on. It's the first time the tree starts to look solid, and once the shape feels right, it's ready to be transferred to metal.
I want the tree to represent family, I want the tree to represent caring, and I want the tree to put a smile on people's faces that sometimes are in need of a smile and a caring thought. And it can take their difficulties away, even if it's just for a moment, to enjoy something beautiful.
There's still plenty left to do, from adding the bark to bringing in the hummingbirds, butterflies, and final touches. Subscribe if you haven't already, and follow along to see how it all comes together in the next video.